lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below how your day is going. Mine's doing great. So if you're for my title, we are starting the advent calendars up. And so if you read my title, this is the ULTA 2019 advent calendar. I started to do this last year, so I am so excited. If you want to see what is in this ULTA advent calendar, it was only $20, then just keep on watching. All right, I don't think I've seen anybody do this yet. I love, 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 love advent calendars. I'm just gonna cut the plastic off this tape here. So I was excited. I seen this. I got this the other day. I did a poll in the community tab because I have a few here and most of you guys voted to do this one first. So that's what we're going to do. This goes up to 12 days. Some of them go up to like 24. So let's open this up, take this plastic piece off here, and that's what it looks like. So this was $20. I used the 20% coupon code, so I got this for $16. So let's see how this is. So if you don't know what advent calendar is, what you're supposed to do is for every day you open it up. So for the first day you do day 1, and then you go to day 2, and then day 3 and 4, and so on. And then on day 12, that would be the last one, and usually it's the best one that's in there. So let's start with number 1. Now I didn't figure out how I can get these up. Okay, so here is numero uno. So let's see what's in here. All right. What you be? What you be? Can you get it open? All right. So this is an Ulta Beauty. This looks like it's, what is this? Oh, this is a jelly eyeshadow. So this looks like a sample size, and it's like silver. So it has a little safety seal on it. Ooh, can you see that? That is so pretty. Let's do a little swatch. And it does, it feels just like jelly. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty. That is so pretty right there. All right, so the first one, I'm definitely impressed. I don't have prices, so I don't know how much these will be. All right. Then we go to day number 2. What you be. So this looks like a liquid, let me get that jelly thing off my finger. This looks like it's a liquid highlighter. So let's see. Yep. Well, that's a pretty color. So that's right there. Yep. This is more like, it's very sheer. All right. So we have that. Feels kind of oily. Let's see what it says. Yeah, liquid highlighter. All right, let's go to day 3. It's like Christmas gifts, right? Okay. Then we have, this is an eyeshadow primer. This is the Ulta brand. So I think everything will be the Ulta brand in here. And this is a decent size to try the eye primer to see if you like it. So I'm definitely excited for that. All right, day 4. Let's see. All right, we have, what is this? A lip crown. This is the Chubby Lip Crown. Just do a little swatch. Oh, that's pretty. It goes with my shirt. That's really pretty. And it's very creamy. I will definitely get some use out of this. This is really, really nice. Like that. So let's go to day 5, Cinco. I mean, it looks like it would be so big, right? But it's so small. It's like litty bitty right there. All right, so this is an eyeliner. It looks like a black eyeliner. So let's see. Ulta brand does have creamy eyeliners. Right there. So that's just a plain black eyeliner. But look how small it is compared to this. All right. Then we have day 6. Some of the advent calendars, like it's 1 might be over here, 2 might be over here, 3 might be over here, but this like isn't in order, so it's easy to do. All right. Come on. Oh, what's this? Is this a lip gloss? This is a tinted lip oil. I love lip oil, so I'm not going to swatch it because it's just like a oil for your lips tonight. I love, love, love lip oils. And this is a pretty, I mean, yes, it's a small sample, but this will last you a while because it's an oil. Love that so much. All right, day 7 was right next to day 6. Let's see. Ooh, what do we have here? This is a cream eyeshadow. This is really, really pretty. All right, let's see. Where you be? Where you be? This is like, let me try, put some more on. This is very sheer, like you guys can see. With this, you would have to put like a matte eyeshadow on, and then first, and then put this on top of it because it's very, very sheer. But it's pretty though. All right, so we have 8 and 9, so let's do 8. Let's see what's in there. All right, this is what we have. What you be? What are you? This is a liquid lipstick, a velvet liquid lipstick, and I like the formula. I like the velvet liquid lipstick. So let's do a little swatch right here. Oh, that's pretty. Right there. It is really pretty. That's definitely a really pretty fall color. Okay, so then we're gonna do 9 that is right next to each other. So far, I think it's worth the $20. And like I said, I got the coupon for 16, so I definitely think I got my money back. This is another, what is this? Shiny Sheer Lip Gloss. That's really pretty. I love lip gloss. Oh, okay. So it's just a lip gloss. Very pretty. This would actually go perfect on top of that right there, that lipstick. All right, like that. All right, so now we got the big boys, 10, 11, and 12. So let's do 10 and see what's in here. Usually as the days go on, it's supposed to get better. But again, look, you think you're getting a... All right, so this is a matte bronzer. Ooh, and this is in the shade, does it say? It just says made in China. Doesn't have the shade, but let's see. All right, so that's what it looks like. Let's see. Oh, it is creamy though, right there. And there is the bronzer. All right. Blends out pretty good, like with my finger. All right, so we got a bronzer. Let's put you back in there. All right, 11. Let's see what's in here. Again. All right, this is a chrome eyeshadow. I love these. I really do. The chrome eyeshadows are really, really nice. These are, I think, are the full size. So let's put that right there. I mean, it's so pretty. One swatch. I'm excited for that. And day 12. So it's supposed to be like the best thing. Let's see what you be. What you be. So in there again. All right, so this is a blush duo. One of them's like very shimmery though. Right here. So you definitely have like very shimmery and let's see, because I don't use like that looks very, very shimmery. Like that could not be a blush. That it just can't. I would use this for an eyeshadow. So the blush is like a peachy tone, but that's very glittery. I mean, it's even like breaking up, like it's crumbling. So let's see. But I guess if you blend it out, it is very pretty. I might have just swatched too much of it. I don't know. So that is in our 12 Days of Beauty, the Ulta Beauty 12 Days of Beauty is how you say it. What do you think of this? I was going to say subscription. No, and it's not a subscription. What do you think of the 2012 Advent Calendar for Ulta? I can definitely tell you it's a lot better than what the Sephora was last year. Definitely. But for 20 bucks, do you think it's worth it? I mean, it's all samples. A couple of them, I think these are like full size, you know. But I just love Advent calendars. And I don't know. Let me know in the the comments down below. Do you think it's worth it? I like I said, got the coupon, so I got it for $16. So I think I got my $16 worth. But you decide. Do you think that it's worth $20? As I'm filming this, they still have more available. These ones do go very quickly, so I will leave it down below. It's not an affiliate link, anything. It just takes you straight to ULTA if you want to check it out for yourself and get it. But let me know what you think. Do you want me to continue doing these advent calendars? I do have the SEPHORA for this year. I have the Bare Minerals. I have a few more that's coming in. So let me know all the tea. And that's everything, guys. Don't forget to rate the video. So either thumbs it up or thumbs it down. I prefer that you thumbs it up, but if you thumbs it down, then I know that you don't like these advent calendars. So, you know, let me know. Make sure that you comment and let me know how your day is going. Don't forget to subscribe and turn that post notification bell on so you can get notified for all my future videos and giveaways. I have a few going on right now. And that's everything, guys. I love you guys so much, more than you will ever know. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.